Honey, South Carolina heat and humidity. I don't want to talk about it. Alright guys, so my hair is freshly washed. I washed it using a clarifying shampoo, and then I deep conditioned my hair, and then I finished off with a leave-in conditioner. So today, like I said, we're going to be doing a braid out. I have not done a braid out probably since the winter months. So I wanted to go ahead and just do one, give my hair a break from the wash and goes, because we are transitioning from summer to fall, and more so in those fall months. I do not like to wear my hair wet once it gets colder outside because I tend to get sick. So today, for the hair product that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be, I just drank a bottle of water. I feel so full, just too much. So I'm going to be using this Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Twist and Curl Pudding. I've used this in the past. I have not used this product probably since like January, February, something around that time. So I'm going to be using that for my braid out. And as you can see, you guys, I already sectioned my hair. I have my hair in hold up now. Where's the other one? Okay, yeah. I can't I can't count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I knew it was like 8, but I was just, let's get to it. Okay, so my hair is in 8 sections, and I plan to use each section for braid. I did that purposely, and I'm learning that I have to detangle my hair in 8 sections now. Once upon a time I did 4, and then I did 6, and then I tried to go back to 4, and this area of my hair is too much. Like, it gave me a headache, so I'm back to doing 8 sections. So I'm just going to be pinning this hair up, and y'all know I like to start off in the back of my head, and we're going to start off with this section. I'm just going to take that loose and just braid it, y'all. Like, I am not the best braider. I do what I can to get the results, but this is how my hair looks. It looks really, really good. Like, the back of my hair looks so healthy. The front of my head, it's time for a trim. That's all I'm gonna say, but it looks so good. So I'm just gonna take this product, and this is what it looks like. Can you see it? Let's see. Yeah, it's really like thick. It has a nice smell. I love Creme of Nature products. I'm putting that all over my hand. I'm gonna start from the tip and work my way up to my scalp area, and we're just like raking this product through the hair and getting it all coated. And this is what we're looking like. So now I'm just putting some plaits in. Just some plaits. If you from the South or your country, we call it plaits down here. So, and y'all, I braid so weird. I use my middle finger because my index fingers are so short. So do not judge me. I picked that up like years ago, and it just became a habit, and I can't stop doing it. So even when I try to do it the normal way, it does not work. Okay, so the last end, I'm just going to coil it like so, and that is our first braid. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to finish the rest of my hair off camera, and then we're going to come back to the finished braided results. Okay guys, so this is what the braids are looking like. We have 8 braids, and I just put a little bit of that product on top to calm down any frizz or prevent any frizz. If you have been viewing this video and you are still here, definitely hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because you obviously like what you are seeing. Anyways, so I'm going to let this air dry. I'm not going to sit on a dryer or anything like that. I don't have that type of time or patience, so I'm just going to let this air dry, you guys, and I will see y'all tomorrow for the takedown. Stay tuned for the take. Alright guys, so we are back with the takedown. So I'm going to be using this Ultra Care Shea Butter Oil. I had this for a little minute now. Excuse me. I'm going to be using this to coat my hands. So yeah, let's get, oh, I'm running low. This thing, I had this thing for a while, but I like to coat my entire hands, my fingertips, all that for my takedown. So I think I'm going to start in the back, and I should have got some clips. Let me see something real quick. I apologize if y'all can hear my fan. It is sweltering in here. Like, it's super hot. I don't know why. I got off work. Like, why it's so hot. Anyways, so, and I don't have a particular technique, y'all. I just unraveled my braid, and I did go to work, so I had a full night to dry as well as an 8-hour shift, and y'all, it's still slightly damp. I don't know if because I had a hat on or what, but this is what we looking like. These are the results. Alright, let's continue to unravel. Alright, you guys, so this is what the hair is looking like. after the takedown, I got a big old gap back there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna shake my hair to kind of get it going. But I like the results. Like, this cream never lets me down. Like the Creme of Nature curl and twist pudding, I mean Creme of Nature in general, my hair loves that stuff. I know I'll have some bomb results with this product. It's super moisturizing. My hair feels lightweight considering I did a clarifying shampoo yesterday. I can't find my pick, y'all, but I'm gonna use this comb. Y'all remember these for the wraps? I'm gonna use this to just get rid of that part in the bag. And I'm trying to minimize as much frizz as possible because it's still like hot down here where I'm at and it's super humid. So styles like this typically do not last in the summer months for me, but like during the fall time and the winter time, this can last me a very long time. So I am gonna I'm gonna do a little mini what do you call it, like document, not really a vlog, but I'm just going to take pictures. So this would be day one. I'm going to do some pictures and see how long this this is not a twist out, girl, this braid out actually lasts. And I like doing a braid out because I don't have to do a whole bunch of separating and fluffing. The braids itself do its job, and that's why I love braid outs. But y'all, like, this looks so good. My hair is stretched, not stretched, but it ain't shrunk, honey. And all I'm gonna do, just to give it some pizzazz, is I'm gonna be using the Style Factors Edge Booster today. And I got the little red one. I got a bunch of mini these, y'all, like, cause I don't commit. This is Ruby. I don't commit. I try it out first. I cannot buy no product and like regular size and not like it. So far in the summer this has not held, so I'm hoping like when it cools off I'll see a difference. I'm pretty sure, like, because even my my Eco Styler olive oil, honey, South Carolina heat and humidity, I don't want to talk about it. Like, it didn't even work. Like, I was in shock. Like, this always works, but it's the weather, y'all. So if you're thinking your edge control is not working, try it in the wintertime. It might just be the humidity. So I like to just slick that down, give it a little something, you know. But I like this braid out. Like, okay, boo thing coming down for the weekend, hair gonna be cute. Okay, let me stop. But no, for real, my baby coming down the weekend, so I wanted to go ahead and do my hair, have it all nice, cause that child be all in my head. Like, for real, he's smelling my damn hair. Okay, and I'm using my little toothbrush I've been using for a while. It's time for a new one, but we'll get to it when we get to it. Y'all, this looks really, really good. I'm gonna shake it again, cause what? Please ignore me. If you have not subscribed to my channel by this point, what are you waiting on? Honestly, like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with a friend, like, leave comments on what you want to see next, and as always, you guys, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.